Put your loving hand out, baby, 'cause I'm begging. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high, but now I was king. Played hard and fast, 'cause I had everything. Walked away, you want me then, but easy coming, easy going, it would end. So anytime I need you, let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel you, get me no. Anytime I see you, let me know. Blood plan, that's it, just let me grow. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-ta-ta-ta. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, and put your loving hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. Down the shell, it used to be a shadow of my life was hanging over me. A broken man, but I don't know what even said. The devil's saying to him, my son, what you doing? What you chasing? What about him? What the basement? What we got good shit and embrace it? What the feel for the need to replace me? You on the runaway track from the good. I went up with the pictures, anybody could react. Now the heart in the trash where it should. You pick it the way I had it, took it back. But I keep walking on, keep rocking down, keep walking for. Let the cloud is young, keep rock so hard. Cause I don't wanna leave in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, yeah, I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm running hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't fall back. I'm just a con about to pay the black. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out.